Hi, this is Sanjaya Hastak. I'm about to give you an illustration of an actual smart home setup, actually two of them, from a user interface point of view and from a customer's actual application, right? So we're going to get into the first one, which will be a large bungalow. I'm just refreshing network data. I'm about 600 to 700 kilometers away in a remote location, and I'm connected on 4G. I'm now connected and live, actually connected into the smart home setup. I'm getting into the house. I'm going to do it a little fast because there's so much to show here, right? You see this ground floor, the actual photos of the individual rooms, the living room, the dining room, the guest bedroom, entrance passage, so on and so forth. We just get into entrance passage. You'll see the lights, you'll see the smart lock, you'll see the Sonos speaker. You also see this, it's small, I don't know if you can see it quickly. It is cool automation. It's actually a Daikin's HVAC, a VRV HVAC setup, and this is the indoor unit in the entrance passage. Similarly, if let's say I go to the guest bedroom, you'll find again another indoor unit, and the Sonos speaker there. Let me just quickly open the Sonos speaker inside this setup, and I'm going to open the VRV HVAC inside this setup. So I control all of this. So you see this consumption at 0 watts. I'm live, I'm actually connected, and the lights are coming on there to whatever intensity I want it to. I'm moving it. You should see decrease in consumption. There you go. So let me switch it off. Then I go to the first floor, and then the upper family area. You see the ribbon chandelier, so on and so forth. Let me try another method. I can switch on the lights. I can switch off the lights. Switch this on. I'm trying Google Assistant. Turn on ribbon chandelier.
Opening assistant.
Turn on ribbon chandelier.
Okay, turning the ribbon chandelier on.
Set ribbon chandelier to 10% brightness.
Sure, setting the ribbon chandelier.
Set ribbon chandelier to 80%.
Sure, setting the ribbon chandelier.
Turn off pot showcase lights.
Okay, turning off the pot showcase.
There you go. Turn off ribbon chandelier.
Okay, turning the ribbon chandelier off.
There you go. Consumption 0. Go to the piano area. Open small curtain.
Okay, opening the small curtain.
You see, now the motor has started. You can see the consumption going up. So as soon as the curtain comes to full open position, you'll find that the indicator slider moves there. There you go, and you can see that icon of the window, that's curtain being open. I can do the same thing using the slider from my mobile app as well. Yeah, I can bring it to whatever point I want it to. Now you see the motor has started moving, and once the curtains come to that point, motor stops, so consumption is 0, and your mobile app is showing this. Let's close everything. Close small curtain and close big curtain.
Okay, closing the small curtain.
Both the curtain motors are moving. Yep, there you go. And the last one on this. Set chandelier to 48% brightness.
Sure, setting the chandelier.
And let me switch it off. Yeah. There you go. Now, so there are several automation scenes which we have set up, and they are easy to use, easy to make them also. So it's all consumer driven, consumer managed, and consumer setup, right? So so you see this Sonos app here. You could use that directly. I actually would recommend you to use the Sonos app directly. Audio, video, you should use it directly. The cameras, video surveillance, you should use it directly. I'm opening Cool Remote. So this is now going to connect me to the VRV HVAC Daikin setup in that same bungalow, and the interface of which we saw through the smart home setup app, the largest smart home setup app, which is from Fibaro. So it's the same setup. Now all the ACs are off, so that one L1103 of guest bedroom, I'm going to turn it on. Yeah, and you see the temperature. I'm going to increase the fan speed. I'm going to increase the temperature also. Humidity, I can set up all of these things. I can group them. So let me switch it off, right? I can create zones, so on and so forth. I can do all of that. So I would actually recommend you to use the VRV HVAC smart home unit independently, and not necessarily take it through the rest of the lights and fans and curtains and such. Now I'm going to show you another aspect of this whole smart home setup. I'm going to open the home center from Fibaro, connect myself to a 3-bedroom flat, again in another far away remote location, about 800 kilometers from here. So you'll see this project is called the Ganga Amber. So all the lights are off here. I am looking at the various lights and so on and so forth, the different rooms. Have another view of this. I'm opening the living room. All the lights are off. So I can switch on the TV lights, the center lights. Then turn on the fan. Go to kids' bedroom. Set the fan to whatever speed I want to. Yeah, this is the kids' AC. This is a remote which has been mapped into this virtual device of the smart home setup. So this is a different way of, this is actually a split air conditioner. It's not a VRV HVAC setup. Okay, and so let me go back and do all of this. Now let me try to connect it. So you can actually see the let me connect myself to this setup now. That's the beauty of IoT. I'm going to do this. Turn off kids fan.
Okay, turning off the kids' fan.
Yep, the kids fan is turned off. Yeah, what else is on? The living fan is on and the center lights are on, right? Turn off living fan and turn off center lights.
Okay, turning the living fan.
Yep, let's keep the TV lights on. Now I'm going to go into this Yale Access, which is into door security. There's a smart lock. It's an intelligent lock designed from grounds up to be smart, and there's a smart video door phone or a video doorbell or a video door view, whatever you can call it. We've actually kept that video door view or door phone doorbell inside the living room and not outside the door, just for demonstration and illustration purposes. It's actually live in this show flat. I'm going to connect myself to that. So this is the main door, it's connecting, and I hope the internet is on in that flat. It is. So the door is open and it's unlocked. So I can actually lock the door, just press on that lock. So just the latch has come out, that's all. The door is open. Now the latch goes back. So I've touched the screen and the latch will go back. Now let's connect myself to the door view, doorbell, door phone, whatever you want to call it. So it's connected to that chime. And it has got a motion detector, so anybody comes in front of your door, it will send you a notification saying that somebody is at the door. Do you want to talk to him? Do you want to see them? Do you want to open the door? What do you want to do, right? So I'm connecting myself to that place. So as I told you, it's inside the living room, and the TV light should be on. All other lights, fans, everything should be off when this comes live. There you go, the TV lights are on. You see, the TV lights are on, the fan is just slowly coming to still position. There's somebody inside that flat. I can hear them. So the door on the right hand side of your screen is the main door. The door on the left hand side of your screen enters into the kids' room, right? So from this view, I can actually lock the door. Can you hear the sound? Yes, that's the latch moving in and out. Door is open. So the latch is going inside. So it's picking up that sound and you can hear it pretty well actually. So let me come out of this view. Let me go to this view. Turn on living fan. and turn on center lights. Turn on center lights. There you go. I'll switch off the TV lights. Now I come back to this August setup. And I'm trying to connect it into that video door phone, smart video doorbell or door view from August. Now a hail company, right? There you go. The fan is on, the center lights are on, and the TV lights are on. Yeah. Excellent. And in this, you see all the activities. Who did what? How did you open the door? Who was in front of the door? Did you use a lock? Did you use a numeric keypad? Did you use an app to open it? What did you do, right? And was there motion detected? Etc. All of that. Who are the various users, the regular users, the guest users, the one-time passcode users, and so on and so forth, right? All of this. So that was the smart home setup. And you saw lights, you saw dimming of lights, amazing granularity of dimming and efficiency of lighting experience, the curtains, the smart speakers, the VRV, HVAC, and also the split air conditioners, complete voice enablement, and it's all residential IoT. I am about 700 kilometers away from either of these two homes, the smart homes. One is a bungalow and another is a flat. And it's completely wireless. So these were all bungalows and flats which were existing for a couple of years till then, and no breaking, no cutting, no plastering, no distortion of anything. It's very easy, it's very straightforward. Yeah. I hope it was a good experience, and write to us at SBS Dimensions India, and happy to connect with you anytime. Thanks a lot. You take care. Bye.